Your morning coffee might be quietly weakening the very thing you want to protect most. Or it could become the easiest way to bring back stronger, more reliable erections, even in your 70s or 80s. The same cup you sip every day can either hold you back or help you feel like yourself again. Let's start with the real issue many men quietly face after 60. You might wonder, why is this happening now? Why does something that was once so natural suddenly require effort? It rarely happens overnight. It's a slow shift, decades in the making. Two major changes are already underway by 60. First, your testosterone levels have dropped to almost half of what they were at 20. Second, your blood vessels, including those supplying the penis, become stiffer and less responsive. Hi, I am Dr. Dylan, an experienced board-certified doctor with over 25 years in preventive medicine. My mission is simple: deliver rigorous, essential health advice specifically for people over 60, so you can enjoy life fully without suffering from poorly informed medical decisions. Before we begin, if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please consider it. Your messages inspire me to keep researching and sharing what truly matters. Now, let's get to it. Think of your younger years like a brand new high-pressure garden hose. Water rushed through it easily. With age, that hose wears out. It stiffens. The flow weakens. That's what happens inside your body. It's not about desire or willpower. It's simple biology. And when blood vessels narrow and testosterone declines, the body enters a vicious cycle. Less testosterone means less energy and muscle. Weaker circulation means weaker erections. Little by little, many men stop recognizing themselves. I once sat with a 60-year-old grandfather who whispered, "Doctor, I don't feel like a man anymore." What he felt went far deeper than intimacy. It was about identity, confidence, and vitality. But here's the truth I want you to hear. Decline is not destiny. Your body is still capable of responding when you give it the right support. And believe it or not, that support can begin with your morning coffee. Millions of men drink coffee every day without realizing it could be doing far more. Yes, caffeine wakes you up. It improves mental clarity. But coffee alone is like pressing the gas pedal on a car with an engine that hasn't been maintained. A quick boost, then it fades. Now here's the exciting part. With just one natural ingredient, your coffee can become a powerful tool to improve blood flow, support testosterone, and help bring back naturally firm erections. Let's talk about the first ingredient. 1. Cinnamon, the quiet protector of your blood vessels. It's the same warm aroma many of us remember from childhood. But beyond taste, cinnamon helps stabilize blood sugar. And that matters because unstable glucose damages the tiniest blood vessels first, including those inside the penis, thinner than a human hair. Cinnamon can lower blood sugar by up to 20 to 30%, protecting those fragile vessels. It also boosts nitric oxide, the molecule responsible for opening blood vessels, the exact same pathway medications target. Just a quarter teaspoon in your morning coffee can start making a difference. Steadier energy, better circulation, more reliable performance. Now imagine combining that with another natural booster. 2. Pure cacao, one of the most potent natural supports for erections. Not sweetened chocolate, pure, dark cacao powder. It's packed with flavonoids, which act directly on the inner lining of your blood vessels, telling them to open and allow better blood flow. This increases nitric oxide, again, the key to firm erections. Many men describe it like turning a switch back on. Cacao also contains natural mood enhancers like anandamide and phenylethylamine. When your mind feels lighter, calmer, and more connected, your body follows. Just 1 teaspoon in your morning coffee is enough to begin seeing changes. Now let's go further. 3. Maca, the ancient Peruvian root known as natural Viagra. Not because it forces an erection, but because it helps your hormonal system rebalance itself. Maca communicates with the hypothalamus and pituitary glands, the command center of your hormones. In studies, men taking 2 to 4 grams a day, about 1 teaspoon, reported increased desire and better performance after just 12 weeks. They also felt more focused and mentally clear. Yellow maca is balanced. Red maca supports prostate health. Black maca boosts energy and stamina. Add a teaspoon to your coffee and you get a warm, slightly malty flavor, especially good when paired with cacao. Next, 4. Coconut oil, the raw material your body uses to build testosterone. For decades, men were told to avoid fats. But testosterone is made from fat and cholesterol. Without them, your body simply can't produce what it needs. Coconut oil is rich in MCTs, medium-chain fats that convert rapidly to energy and can raise testosterone by up to 20%. Mix a spoonful into hot coffee and you get a rich, creamy drink that fuels your body almost instantly. And now, one more powerful ally. 5. Ginger, the ancient anti-inflammatory that boosts circulation and protects testosterone. Ginger warms the body, opens blood vessels, and increases blood flow thanks to compounds like gingerol. It also shields the testicles, where testosterone is made from damage caused by heat, toxins, and oxidative stress. Daily ginger can significantly increase testosterone levels within months. Fresh slices or a 1/4 teaspoon of powder in your coffee works beautifully. So how do you put all of this into practice without feeling overwhelmed? Start small. Add cinnamon first. Easy, pleasant, effective. Then introduce cacao for nitric oxide support. After that, add maca, then coconut oil, then ginger. Step by step, your morning coffee turns from a simple habit into a precise, natural formula to support blood flow, hormone balance, and intimacy. Your body remembers how to function at its best. You're simply giving it what it needs. And you deserve to feel alive, confident, and connected again. Take this one small step each morning and let your strength return. You're stronger than you think, and your body is capable of far more than you've been told.